In this class, I am discussing about transformation of equations. Transformation of equations. Transformation nothing but changes or conversion into one to another one. Transformation nothing but conversion or changes. First of all, we are taking quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Reject quadratic equation. This quadratic equation has two roots. One is alpha, another one is beta. We are taking two roots of quadratic equation, alpha and beta. If the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or alpha and beta, then the quadratic equation, when roots are, first one, when roots are reciprocals, that is reciprocal nothing but alpha reciprocal as 1 by alpha, beta reciprocal is 1 by beta. Of the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is of f of x is equal to 0 is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Once again, transformation of equations. Transformation nothing but changes or conversion one to another. A quadratic equation has ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. It has two roots. Suppose one is alpha and the other one is beta. If the roots alpha comma beta of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation, then the required equation when roots are reciprocals. Before going to quadratic equation, it has two roots alpha and beta. Then whose roots are reciprocals, instead of alpha is 1 by alpha, instead of beta is 1 by beta, of f of x is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. We are taking my example, see here. Three x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. It is f of x. It is f of x. F of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Suppose it has two roots, alpha and beta, but we are taking reciprocals of f of x. Reciprocals of the roots as 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. 1 by alpha, 1. Then the required equation is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. What is the required equation? Required quadratic equation is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Instead of x is 1 by x, we are substituting instead of x is 1 by x to getting 0. Substitute here 3 into 1 by x whole square, 5 into 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 by x square, 1 by x whole square as 1 by x square plus 5 by x minus 2 is equal to 0. Taking LCM, LCM of x and x square is x square. The numerator is same. X variable is multiplying of x to get x square plus 5x minus 2x square is equal to 0. Then minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 into x square. Cross multiplication, 0 into x square is equal to 0. Then minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. These three terms into right hand side, the symbols are interchanged. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. It is the required equation when the roots are reciprocals to each other. Instead of alpha is 1 by alpha, instead of beta is 1 by beta. That is, required equation is f of 1 by x is equal to 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, the second one, I am going to second one. Roots are sign changed. Sign. That is minus alpha minus beta. Suppose the first root is alpha, that sign is changed, minus alpha. Suppose second root is beta, minus beta. Sign changed, minus beta. It is plus beta, it is plus alpha. We are changed this sign as minus alpha minus beta of f of x is equal to 0 is f of minus x is equal to 0. The quadratic equation f of x is equal to 0. This quadratic equation has alpha and beta. When roots are sign changed, that is minus alpha minus beta, we are getting the required equation f of minus x is equal to 0. See here one example. See one example. 5x square x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. It has two roots such as alpha and beta, but those two roots alpha and beta we are taking signs or interchange. To get the required equation is f of minus x is equal to 0, but we are required equation f of minus x is equal to 0. That is, then substitute instead of x as minus x, f of minus x is equal to minus x whole square minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Square of minus x is equal to x square. It is minus into minus plus 5x. The third one has constant 4. Therefore, f of minus x, that is required equation, x square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is required equation. Once again, alpha comma beta roots, signs are interchangeable. Minus alpha minus beta. F of x is equal to 0. F of minus x is equal to 0 is required equation. Third one. When the roots increased by k, increased by k. There is a constant, either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or like that. That is, the first root is alpha. We are increased by alpha, alpha plus k. The second root is beta. We are taking increased by k, that is beta plus k of f of x. 0 is f of x minus k is equal to 0. We are taking the roots increased to getting required equation is x minus k is equal to 0, minus k. Increasing is plus k, we are taking the required equation minus k, that equal to 0. Example, see an example. F of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Increased by 2. Increased by roots are increased by 2. Roots are increased by 2. Increased by k, that is alpha plus k, beta plus k of f of x is equal to 0. F of x minus k is equal to 0. Increased by k, we are taking minus k. Increased by 2, we are taking x minus 2 instead of x. F of x minus 2, 2 into x minus 2 whole square minus 3 into x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute x minus 2 in place of x, that equal to a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we are substituting here a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 3x minus into minus plus minus 1 is equal to 0. See here, 2 into x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3x plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 8x plus 8 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Very good. 2x square minus 8x minus 3x minus 11x 8 plus 5 plus 13 is equal to 0. Roots are increased by 2. Then f of x minus 2 is equal to 2x square minus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. We are going to fourth one. Fourth one. When the roots are decreased by k, roots are decreased by k. Suppose k, alpha minus k, beta minus k. Roots are alpha minus k, beta minus k. Decreased by, that is none, alpha minus k, beta minus k of f of x is equal to 0 is f of x plus k is equal to 0. We are taking minus k, getting required equation is plus k is equal to 0. It is very, very important. Understand? Take one example. X square minus 3x plus 2. This is f of x. Decreased by 3. Roots are decreased by 3. Roots are decreased by 3. We are going to f of decreasing, we are getting required equation is plus 2. Decreasing is minus k, decreasing is minus 3. We are taking the required equation is x plus 3. Once again, decreased the roots as minus k, getting the required equation is plus k. Suppose decreasing root is 3, we are taking the required equation f of x plus 3. Because of decreasing as minus 3, we are taking plus 3 according to condition. Substitute in place of x, x plus 3 whole square, 3 into x plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. What is a plus b whole square form? A square plus 2ab plus b square, x square 2ab plus b square 3x minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 0. Reduces the form x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. X square 6x minus 3x to getting 3x, 9 minus 7 as 2. It is the decreasing by constant, that is 3, to get the required equation as f of x plus k, that is f of x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, as fifth one, multiplying. Multiplied by as the first root is alpha, multiplied of k, alpha k. The second root is beta, multiplied of k, beta k. Of f of x is equal to 0 is f of x by k is equal to 0. Roots are multiplied by k to getting required equation is dividing of the root f of x by k. Here multiply by k, we are taking division. Before one, decreased by k, we are taking plus k. Increased by k, we are taking minus k. Now multiplied by k, we are getting in the required equation as division. See one example. F of x is x square minus 2x minus 15. Roots are multiplied by 2. We are taking roots are multiplied by 2. That is 2 alpha and 2 beta. So we are taking in the required equation f of x by 2, 2 alpha, 2 beta roots, but we are taking the value of x is x by 2 according to the condition. X by 2 whole square, 2 into x by 2, substitute in place of x as x by 2, in place of x square as x by 2 whole square, minus 15 by 1 is equal to 0. X square by 4, x by 2 whole square as x square by 4, minus 2x to 2 cancel, x minus 15 by 1. Take the LCM. 4 x square 1 into 4 4 into x 4x 1 into 4 4 into 15 60. See again, LCM of 4 1 as 4 x square 4x 4 into 15 60, that equal to x square minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. It is f of x by 2. The required equation is f of x by 2 is equal to x square minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Next, the sixth one. Sixth one is squaring. Seventh one is cubing. Sixth one. Roots are squared. That is alpha square, beta square of f of x is equal to 0 is under the root of x. See here, roots are squared, that is alpha square and beta square. Then the required equation is square root of x is equal to 0. Roots are squared, we are taking under the root, square. Roots are squared, we are taking under root of x is equal to 0. It is very, very important. Next. Example. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is f of x. Roots are squared. We are taking f of root x. F of root x. Substituting in place of x as root x whole square, 3 into root of x, 3 root x plus 2 is equal to 0. That equal to, under the root square cancel, x minus 3 into root of x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, x plus 2 is equal to 3 into root of x. Minus is going to right hand side, the symbol interchange, minus 2 plus 2 minus, transformation of plus minus is plus, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. We get x plus 2 whole square is equal to a plus b whole square form, x square 2ab plus b square is equal to 3 square into square root of x whole square is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 9x. Send to left hand side, x square plus 4x minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. That is f of root of x. When roots are squared, to getting required equation, root of x is equal to 0. The last one, each cubed, when roots are cubed, alpha cube comma beta cube of f of x is equal to 0 is f of cube root of x is equal to 0. If before going to square, we are taking square under the square root. Now cubing, we are taking cube root of x is equal to 0. See one example. Suppose taking ax square, suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We are taking roots are cubing, alpha cube, beta cube. We are taking roots cubed, substituting a into cube root of x. In place of x, we are taking cube root of x. When roots are cubing, then to get the required equation is cube root of x. Suppose x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation has alpha cube and beta cube. Why? Because roots are cubed. Roots are cubed. We are taking the equation a into cube root of x whole square plus b into cube root of x is equal to minus a. Are sending to right hand side. Yes. A into x power 2 by 3, b into x power 1 by 3 minus 3. Now cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides we get. Now a here, a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus a. Apply this formula in this one. A x power 2 by 3, a into x power 2 by 3, b into x power 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to minus c whole cube. A cube x power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 a cube. Now second time b cube x power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3ab 3a b into a plus b, it is a, it is b, that is minus c, that is minus c, that equal to minus c cube, that equal to minus c cube. Now 3 cancel, okay, a cube x square plus b cube into x plus 3ab x power 2 by 3 into x power 1 by 3, bases are same, power should be added, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus c is equal to minus c cube. A cube x cube plus b cube x minus into plus minus 3a b c into x, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 3 getting 1, denominators are same, power should be added, 2 plus 1 as 3, 3 by 3 are getting 1, x power 1 as x is equal to minus c cube. A cube x square, we are taking common x, b cube minus 3abc plus c cube is equal to 0. It is a formula when roots are cubed. To getting required equation is a cube x square plus b cube minus 3abc into x plus c cube is equal to 0. See an example. Example, f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. When roots are cubing, alpha cube, beta cube, what is the required equation? A cube x square plus b cube minus 3abc into x plus a cube is equal to 0. In that quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. We are taking the values a, b, c instead of f of cube root of x is equal to a 1 cube into x square, b minus 3 whole cube, 3 into a value as 1, b value as minus 3, c value 2 into x, c 2 cube is equal to 0. Then x square 1 cube as 1, minus 3 whole cube is equal to minus 27, minus into minus plus, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, x plus it is equal to 0. Then minus 27 plus 18 as minus 9, 9x plus it is equal to 0. F of cube root of x. That is, when roots are cubing, required equation is x square minus 9x plus 8 is equal to 0.